So let's start with logic gates. So first thing is we should know why it is used and where it is used. So we can see in our motherboard and in the computer, correct? We can see a lot of green and black thing connection, correct? So those are nothing but logic gates. Logic gates in the sense it performs such operation. Fine. For example, switching on the mobile phone, switching on the computer, switching it off. Everything is in the function of what? Gates. Okay. First, they have discovered what? Binary operation. First, the computer was called with what? Binary operation. Then came what? Logic gates. Then came logic gates into picture. After binary operation, logic gates. Correct? Now coming to the logic gate, the most important one is or, not, or, nor, or not, and. Okay, so these are the most three important logic gates for us. So coming to this, or first I'll take or gates. Kind of see and like this. Or meaning what? Or meaning plus function. If I am giving two inputs, the inputs are what? A and B. What does or do? This is or, it will do A plus B. Okay, I'll draw a table for the same. So this they can ask in the examination. This is called truth table. Okay, this is called what? Truth table. This is A and B. So you'll understand why I am drawing this thing. So you should write here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. First is A plus B. 0 plus 0 is what? I'll get 0 itself. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is not 2 because binary operation includes only two functions, is 0 and 1. So this is again 1. So this is for what? OR logic gate, OR. Next one is AND, AB. Okay, AB, AND. AND is very easy to draw. I'll draw it just besides this gate itself. So it will be easy for you to see the thing. Again, here also I'll give two inputs, A and B. Okay. Two lines are nothing but what? Two inputs respectively. And this is my output. A and B is my input and this is my output. That is A into B. So 0 into 0, A into B in the sense what I'm doing? I'm multiplying this. 0 into 0, I should hit 0. 0 into 1, 0. Only 1 into 1 will give me 1. Rest all are 0. Fine. Last one is NOT gate. That I will draw it. It's a kind of triangle. NOT gate. Okay, guys. So these are the basic gates you should understand. So if it is A here, it will be A complement. A complement. So if I'm putting here A complement, complement is opposite of A. If A is 0, this is 1. If this is 1, this is 0. So for A 0, 0, you get 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So please note down this thing. Once note down, let me know the same. Fine. Then again come to our OOPS concept. Okay, this was just the logic gates. Sometimes they may ask us in the question, like the question paper which is over here. Write the logic table and truth table for NOR gate. OR gate we know. How do you draw OR gate? OR gate is like this. NOR. NOR meaning what? Put one joker like thing here. That's called NOR gate. So what is this NOR gate? It is complement of A plus B. So normally what is OR gate? OR gate is A plus B, but NOR gate is what? A plus B the complement. So what you do is in the existing table, which I have drawn for you. Okay. So what I can do in this is if I erase all of these things, and if I write here A plus B the whole complement, what is it? A plus B the whole complement. What gate will become NOR? So what is complement of 0? 1. So 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is nothing but what gate? NOR gate respectively. So these are all very easy questions for us to get full mark. Correct? That's it. You have to just only draw which one? Only draw this one. Is it clear or any doubt? So these kind of questions are very easy for us to get full mark. Now let's see if there are any similar questions like this. Prove that x plus xy is equal to x. Okay, so in these kind of questions, x and xy, x can have only what? First thing is draw the truth table. The same thing here. Okay, better I will do it. That'll be one of the things. Yeah, x plus xy is equal to x. That is the question, I think so. X plus xy is equal to x. So obviously this can have only binary, zeros and ones respectively. Correct? Yes or no? So first thing is draw the table. Step number 1. Draw the table. Just like our last table, okay? Do not worry at all. These are all very easy things. X and y. Fine. This is what x plus xy is equal to x we have to prove. X plus xy I will give here. What is x value? First write down these things. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Is it clear up to this? Then x plus xy. So before that, if you're having difficulty, x is what? 0. What is xy? 0 itself. So answer is 0. Next is what? X is 0. Xy. 1 into 0 is what? Xy. What will be the value you get? What will be the value of xy here? 0. Correct? I'm getting it as what? 0. Next thing is what? X plus xy. So 1 plus 0. That is again 1. Next is what? 1 plus 1. Again, I'm getting it as what? 1 plus 1 into 1. That is equal to 1 itself. So now we can clearly say that what? 1, 1. Here also what I'm getting? 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0. So x plus xy is equal to x. And one more thing I would like to tell from this is, if I take x common from this, what will I get? 1 plus y. What is 1 plus y value? 1 plus y value, whatever it may be. 1 plus anything is equal to what? 1 itself. So x into 1, that is x itself. Correct or not? Because y can take what values? Zeros or 1. 1 plus 0 is what? 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to also what? 1. Is it clear?